Hello guys, hi, this is Syed Mukram, hope you're good. Let's come to the series what we are covering, and that is of Excel. And as we previously discussed regarding this, on like monthly budget bill, we have calculated sum of total amount and minimum amount, maximum amount and average amount. And today we are going to cover count. So let's see. So we are adding up the count. So we are counting up the value. So we are working with the count function in this video. So let's see where is the count. Go to the formula bar and then click on more functions, then statical. Let's check if you have the formula bar with F. Check with the count. Yes, we are checking with the count, right? Sorry for that. Yeah, we have the count function over here, and let's check. And we can go for the shortcut keys, click on FX tab, and then you can go over here, you can search for count from here itself, then go for it. You could see we got the count, but we clicked over here, so we need to go back. Then we click on count and then go on FX. See, we have count, click search on it for the function. We got the count function, click OK. Then need to do what you want to count. Then you can count over here, like we want from B6 to B10. This is what my count, and see over here what I got, but I don't want to count this. I want to count B6 to B10 completely. See, counts the number of cell in the range that contain numbers is equal to 5. It's giving the output. So it's so simple as that. So you can copy paste over here too. It will give 5 5 5. Here's the one thing, important thing in count, like it's not counting the cell, it's counting only the numbers. If I delete this, see over here it got 4. If I delete over here, it will be 4. This is how count function works. So if I do Control Z, it will be go 5 5. If I do Control Z again, and it will be go over 5, because it will count only the number. It will not count the text. It will not count any other values than other than number. So hope you got it, guys. And for further, we will be covering the next series on it. So that's it for today's. So on the count function, hope you got it, and hope you got on all like minimum, maximum, and average function along with some function. That's it, guys. If you have any queries regarding this, you can comment in the comment section. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye bye. Take care.